arse is numb and cold. Left me phone on the kitchen counter, truth be told. Staring at the grout lines, counting towels on the floor, wishing I had brought a book or something through the door. Me bowels are doing river dance, a turbulent display, but the turd is shy as hell, it doesn't want to play. If you don't know what to do on the loo, sniff your knickers. If you're bored while you poo on the loo. Read the back of shampoo bottles, aqua sodium shite, contemplating life choices in the bathroom light. Me legs are falling asleep, got pins and needles bad. This is the most pathetic shitting time I've ever had. I even try to play a tune with a ripping fart. The water splashes up, it's called Poseidon's kiss. If you don't know what to do on the loo, sniff your knickers. If you're bored while you poo on the loo. If you're bored while you poo on the loo.